how to resolve instance specific or network related error. In this short video, let's understand the solution for this very common error when connecting to SQL Server 2025. Come on, let's get the solution to this problem. For example, I launch SMS. I try to connect to my server, maybe a local or a remote server. It will take about 30 seconds time before you see the connection error. The default timeout is 30 seconds. Let's wait. Here it is, network related or instance specific error. While establishing the connection to the server. So what we do for this? Very simple and straight. Go to services.msc. Go to services.msc and navigate to your local SQL Server service. Right click start. Once we start, then you need to try to connect to the server. This will resolve the problem. I repeat again, go to services. In services.msc, we need to carefully type yes, so that we are getting the list of all services starting with yes. Go to SQL Server. Identify which instance you are working with. In my case, it is default instance. Right click and start. Start the service. What if service does not start? I'll be surely taking a separate video for this and include in the playlist. For now, you right click service and start. It should start, but ideally it should start and you are able to connect to the server. Thanks for watching the video and please do reach us if you are looking for trainings, projects, placements or internships. If you need any mentorship or resume or career guidance, please do WhatsApp me directly and glad to help you. And here is my number.